Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about the top 10 tech industries in the world. Before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Technology is the most powerful industry in today's globe, impacting the global economy by establishing new trends and pushing transformational changes across all industries. It's almost impossible to picture a world without technology. Many people assume that the majority of these large tech companies are based in the United States. However, there has been a dramatic shift in recent years, with a number of Asian companies appearing in the top 10 tech corporations, giving their American counterparts a run for their money. We've prepared a list of the top 10 revenue-generating organizations in the world, with a focus on software, hardware, electronics manufacturing, artificial intelligence, semiconductors, internet and related services, and e-commerce. Here is our list of the world's top 10 tech industries in the world. Number 10. Sony $75.972 billion. Sony Group Corporation, or just Sony, is a consumer electronics conglomerate based in Japan. It is one of the world's major consumer electronics manufacturers, as well as the world's largest video game console manufacturer and publisher. The image sensor industry is dominated by Sony, which holds a 55% share. Sony is the world's largest image sensor maker, as well as the world's second-largest camera manufacturer. Sony TV is the market leader in premium television. Sony is the third-largest television manufacturer in terms of annual revenue. In 1946, Masaru Ibuka opened an electronics store with co-founder Akio Morita, forming Tokyo Tsushin Kogyo, Ltd., which eventually changed its name to Sony. Number 9. IBM $77.147 billion. IBM, International Business Machines Corporation, is a multinational technology company headquartered in the United States with operations in more than 171 countries. IBM's main priority is research and development, with the corporation filing record annual patents in the United States for over 28 years. IBM is a multinational corporation that manufactures and sells computer hardware and software, as well as hosting and consulting services ranging from mainframe computers to nanotechnology. Automated teller machines, ATMs, floppy disks, magnetic stripe cards, hard disk drives, relational databases, UPC barcodes, and dynamic random access memory are just a few of IBM's technological innovations. Number 8. Hitachi, $80.639 billion. Hitachi, Ltd., is a Japanese global technology corporation with a focus on information technology, artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and big data. In 1910, Namihio Daira created Hitachi, which began manufacturing induction motors for the copper mining industry. Number 7. Dell Technologies, $92.154 billion. Dell Technology is an American technology company that specializes in personal computers. Dell sells a wide range of products, including servers, data storage devices, network switches, computer accessories, smart TVs, cameras, and printers, among other things. Dell Technologies was founded in 1984 by Michael Dell and is notable for its supply chain management and direct sales e-commerce approach. Number 6. Huawei, $124.316 billion. In its early years, Huawei, which was founded in 1987 by Ren Jingfei, began reselling private branch exchange (PBX) systems. Huawei has grown into a telecommunications juggernaut that produces mobile phones, fixed broadband networks, smart TV, tablet PCs, dongles, and smartwatches, among other things. Huawei Technologies is a Chinese technology corporation that specializes in consumer electronics and the telecommunications industry. Huawei develops, manufactures, and sells telecommunications equipment to organizations throughout the world, including British Telecom, Motorola, Bell Canada, Vodafone, and others. Number 5. Microsoft, $125.843 billion. Microsoft is the second largest firm in the world and one of the most expensive brands in the computer industry. Microsoft is the world leader in the personal computer software market, having been founded in 1975 by Bill Gates and Paul Allen. Microsoft's Windows operating system was a smash hit, bringing in massive earnings for the corporation. Microsoft is working on breakthrough technologies such as blockchain, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and cloud computing, which is now led by Satya Nadella. Bill Gates and Paul Allen created the internationally renowned firm in 1975. They recommended that home PCs use packaged software to make the PC experience simple, user-friendly, and intuitive. As a result, the Windows operating system came into being. It was a big success for Microsoft, and it made them a lot of money. Since then, the company has extended its markets and diversified its offerings. Microsoft now provides operating systems for desktops, servers, phones, and smart devices, as well as productivity apps, business solution apps, management and development tools, games, and many more products. Microsoft's sphere of attention has also recently shifted slightly. In order to become a leader in the area, the company is now focused on cutting-edge technologies such as machine learning, artificial intelligence, and cloud computing. Number 4. Alphabet, $161.857 billion. People who use the internet are almost certain to be familiar with Google. Google LLC and several other subsidiary firms are owned by Alphabet Inc., an American multinational corporation. Google Inc., situated in California, is the undisputed global leader in the search engine business, with a market share of 92.47% as of June 2021. Alphabet invests in a variety of exciting and innovative projects, including self-driving cars, Calico, a life extension R&D business, and Nest, a smart home project. Larry Page and Sergey Brin, two Stanford University students, launched Google, one of the most trusted technology companies, in 1998. Number 3. Foxconn, $178.869 billion. Foxconn, headquartered in New Taipei City, is a Taiwanese electronics contract manufacturing firm. Foxconn is one of the world's greatest employers, employing 1.29 million people around the world and being China's largest private sector employer. Foxconn, which was formed in 1974, works with practically all major brands and produces customized electronic devices according to the vendor's specifications. iPad, iPhone, Kindle, Nintendo, BlackBerry, Google Pixel, Redmi phones, PlayStation, and others are some of the company's major goods. Number 2. Samsung Electronics, $197.705 billion. Samsung is a global electronics corporation headquartered in Seoul, South Korea, and the world's largest mobile phone manufacturer. It is a large company that manufactures not just electronics such as batteries, IC chips, hard disks, image sensors, cameras, and other similar items, but also ships, aviation engines, turbines, and life insurance. Samsung is Apple Incorporated's greatest competitor in the mobile phone category, with flagship brands such as the Galaxy S, Z, and Note series, contributing 40% to the company's top line. Samsung is best recognized as a consumer electronics manufacturer, despite the fact that it is a massive private corporation with interests ranging from ship and aircraft construction to life insurance. Consumer electronics, information technology and mobile communications, and device solutions are the company's three technological divisions. It's also worth noting that, with its Galaxy smartphones and tablets, Samsung has been Apple's greatest competitor in the mobile market thus far. In recent years, smartphones accounted for a significant portion of Samsung's sales, about 40%. The company was founded in 1938 in South Korea. Sanyo and Samsung amalgamated in 1969, forming the Samsung Group. The business began producing personal computers in 1983. The creation of the first line of mobile phones was accomplished by 1991-1992. The headquarters of Samsung are in Suwon, the provincial capital of Gyeonggi-do, Republic of South Korea. Number 1. Apple, $260.174 billion. With revenue of $260 billion USD in 2020, Apple Inc., a Cupertino-based American tech firm, is the world's most lucrative company and most successful brand. It was created in 1976 by Steve Wozniak, Ronald Wayne, and Steve Jobs, three tech wizards. Apple began in the personal computer category, which grew enormously after its massive success when it expanded into the mobile phone segment. Apple Inc. which began with laptops and iPhones, has now expanded to include a variety of items like as smartwatches, iPod tablets, televisions, and accessories. Apple has a large fan base of millions of customers across the world who queue for hours outside Apple stores to get their hands on new items as they are released. Apple is one of the most admired brands in corporate America's history. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.